The second song I'm going to sing was written by a very great Indian sage, and it was written really for a particular event at the United Nations about 47 years ago. And the song itself actually was written prior to that by for a very renowned Indian musician, M.S. Subbulakshmi. And the words go this way. It talks about serving the world with friendship and humility, conquering the hearts of everyone with the same, looking up to others as similar to themselves, renouncing war, renouncing unnecessary competition for power, giving up aggression or other properties which is wrong or doesn't belong to us, that the Mother Earth is wide enough and ready to give us all the desires we want without having to take from others in a wrong way. And so it says, restrain yourself, donate your wealth to others, be kind to others, O people of the world. May all the people of this world be happy and prosperous. May all the people of this world be happy and prosperous. This was a song that Gandhiji really, really liked, so this is again in devotion to him.